Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. at 6 o'clock p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Cape Rundle, or about 17 nautical miles southwest of Cape Elizabeth, moving east at 25 knots. Here is the short range report.